Hey guys, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel, it's Hannah here. So today is a very exciting day. As you can tell by the title, this is the first time I am trying out hair extensions and I'm very excited. I've wanted to have brunette hair for ages, but I'm like, do you know what, let me just trial out the long hair first and see what my vibe is. And I also thought, because I'm blonde, you can't even see my hair, but because I am blonde on the end like balayage, I was like, I'm gonna have to get the most out of this blonde hair. So when I go brunette, I won't want to just switch back straight away, because I hear so many people telling me, don't go brunette, you want to go back blonde, Hannah. It'll not last long, it'll be a little phase, it'll be a month phase. I'm gonna get as much out of this blonde hair as possible. I'll show you guys my hair now. So if you know me, you know my hair length anyways. It doesn't look ridiculously blonde, but the ends in comparison to the actual natural hair colour here, very blonde. So if you want to see me go from this to this lovely long luscious hair, just keep on watching. I've had her in a bubble, so she's not straight, so I'm going to have to straighten her again. In fact, I haven't straightened my hair today. My hair is like a balayage kind of colour. It looks different underneath these lights, like it looks a little bit darker underneath like studio lights, but I'll insert the picture here that I sent to Blush and Milk. So yeah, Blush and Milk kindly gifted me these. I basically reached out to them. I would love to try hair extensions out. I'll do a video for you guys. I'll review them for you guys. This is not a sponsored video whatsoever. This is just me trying these out. And I actually tried them out last night because I was like, do you know what, I can't wait. It comes in this little parcel here, a little box. I was emailing back and forth with them asking what kind of colour I should have. I looked at the website, and what I love about the website, let me just say this, they have videos of the hair in natural daylight, brushed, like moved around and stuff, and I love that because my companies just have pictures under studio lighting, and my hair looks completely different underneath natural lighting than it does studio lighting, and then most of the time it'll come up with too dark or too light or a completely different tone. Milk and Blush literally do the best hair video. Oh my god, they are so good at that. If you look on the website, you'll literally know what I mean. Sent me Parisian Dreams. This is 16 inches. They sent me the luxurious style, which I'm pretty sure is 200 grams. When you open the box, this is what it looks like inside. There is a weft here, like a free clip weft, a little netting, and it says read me first. So this is really good because it, like, they include that in, so you can't open this unless you know the colours right, because how are you not going to know it's going to match you? So they do that, which is really, really good, but I did that the other day. I was a bit unsure that if it would match me perfectly or anything like that, but when I tried it on, I was like, oh my god, I think it's just because like, the roots of my hair obviously are so dark, and this is like a blonde colour. This is what the colour looks like. Looks lovely. And the one thing I really appreciate about these hair extensions, the tones in the hair are so natural and so easy to blend into your hair. Like the amount of like you can just see all the highlights, and like, I don't know if it's got low lights in there, but highlights definitely. You can just see straight away, and the hair is so shiny. It doesn't go really thin towards the end either. You can just see it's a really blunt cut, which I love that. The hair is very, very thick. It's literally thicker than my own hair, so I was like worrying, thinking, oh my god, is my hair too thick? No, I'm going to be absolutely fine. When I lay it up like this, it looks a bit thin, but honestly, I think it's just because blondes look a lot thinner than like if you have like brown hair extensions. So you get 4 of these, which are 2 clip ones, 2 of the 3 clip ones, and then you get the big 4 clip one there. Me trying them on for the first time the other day, I was like, oh my god, I've never tried hair extensions in before, but if I can do it, you guys can do it. Like, look how blunt my hair is, and I make it work. So I'm so excited to show you guys how I put them in. Okay, so now that I've straightened my hair, this is what it's looking like. So you can see it's a lot more flatter to my head and stuff because I've straightened it obviously, but they've still got quite a blunt cut. So we're going to sort that out next. 2 fingers just above my ear, and then kind of meet it in the middle, and then take this top hair, so you've got all that there, so that's all sectioned off there, and just put it away just so it's nice and sectioned off like that. So the reason why I do this is going to be the awkward part that like pokes him out in between like the hair extensions, and because I wouldn't really mind that much, but because it's blonde, this poking out next to that, you're going to see it straight away, aren't you? Taking this hair here, I'm literally just going to twirl it like that basically, if you saw that. Get some bobby pins and just clip it all down So I've got 4 in front of me, that should be enough. So 1, 2, just so it's nice and secure and it's not going to budge or anything, because you don't want it obviously coming out, so you want it to be nice and secure so you can wiggle your head about. It's actually quite cute, this hair. I never do updos. Anyways, I'm just going to pin it down as much as possible. So if you can see, right, we can see that, guys. So I'm basically just going to do that to it. I'm going to use this Got to Be Glue spiking gel. I'm going to take a tiny bit in my hands and just flatten down any baby hairs at the back I've got there. Is that from, oh my god, that's from it as well, isn't it? Let's flatten that down. It should look quite flat. So I'm going to start off with the 4-clip weft, and then I kind of like to do, I don't like to put it behind me, I kind of like to go like this, and then I'll just fit it in up there. So I'll put the middle ones in first, because you want it to be nice and stretched out as well. So I'll put them in and just clip them down, kind of wiggle it in. So that is your first weft in. So we take the hair down. Imagine if I just left it like that. Hi, this is my hair extension. So it's just about layering basically. So we've got the first layer on, and then we're going to take, it's useful to have a mirror handy behind you or something when you're doing this. Take it a little bit higher, further upwards than that last one, so it's still blending quite good. So do the same thing, 2 3-clip ones. So these are going to be majority at the back to blend the back out and stuff. So I'm going to put them in. So again, just popping these in and just sliding them in. Take about, probably about that. Yeah, it's about, oh no, a little bit more in fact. So as you can see, I need to blend this front bit now. So we've got to put these ones more in the front of the hair. So I've got the 2-clip wefts. So I'm going to put 2 in here. So, and then I'm just going to do the same thing, clip this one in. And then we're going to do the top layer, and then we'll be all done. You can see it already though, can't you? So now we're at the top bit. It's really important that we're disguising the hair. So my main priority is to make the front blend about there. Looks crazy next to my dark hair though, doesn't it? And about there. Looks absolutely crazy this. But wait till the magic happens. You just have to be good with your placement of your hair and like kind of brushing it through and stuff. So when you're brushing it through, it just helps it to really, really blend in. And as you can see, that colour match is absolutely spot on. Like, you can't tell where it starts and where it ends really, can you? So the colour match people on their team are so good. Like, what the hell? Like, how the hell have they matched me this good? Like, I'm still like gobsmacked that like this is a thing. And there is the odd 1-2 bits like hanging out, but I have rushed putting them in, to be honest with you, and I'm not a pro at putting them in, but I think I've done a really good job, to be honest with you guys. People have like shorter front bits when they have longer hair, so that bit doesn't annoy me, but the fact that my hair is literally, let me find a like strand, that's my hair, isn't it? My hair is up to here, and it was a blunt cut, and I honestly, what the hell, like you cannot tell. And imagine when I've got this curled. I'm going to do another video of my hair in when it's curled as well, guys, so you can see what it looks like. You can't see when it starts and ends though, can you? Like, I know when my hair ends and you can't really tell. I love it, but like I said, don't come for me in the comments. I'm not the best at doing this. If I show you the back of my head, hopefully you'll see what I mean. Like, it's not obvious that I've got short hair. I've got a discount code for you guys, so I'll pop it on screen here. So there's one for the US and there's one for the UK. But yeah, I will leave all the information down below in the description box for you guys as well. Let me know if you've got any questions or anything. I feel like I'm that like obsessed that I'm not even actually telling you guys about the hair. And I'm just like, oh my god, it's so like good quality. Like, it just feels like it's coming off my head. And like, I'll show you the thickness of it, what it looks like in a ponytail. Like, that is some thick ass hair, look at that. That is some thick hair. To say it's like short as well, this is not short. Like, this is definitely 18 inches. So if you get a 16 inches, like a hair extensions, it's literally 18 inches. This is not 16 inches. I think what they mean by like 16 to 18 is because when you're clipping it up here, it'll probably be 16 inches, and you're clipping it down here, it'll be 18 inches. That's what they probably mean. And maybe the budget 20 inches is 20 to 22, and the 22 is 22 to 24. Oh, do you know what? I would love to clip this though, but I feel like it just looks so natural. Like the ends of the hair looks so natural that I don't want to blunt cut it. If you've got any questions about it, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this hair transformation video. I cannot believe I've got long hair. This is so weird. I keep looking at myself in the mirror and I'm like, this is so weird. Thank you guys for watching, and I shall see you guys in the next one. And I'm just going to stroke my hair for a good 30 minutes probably.
Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me, for all you done for me, for how you love me.